how we can find maximum age in the student table without using aggregate functions. With aggregate functions, we can find the maximum age with the code MAX. But how we can find it without using aggregate functions? This is our student table. The idea is that in first we rename the student table as S, as any name, and then we take the cross product with the student and the newly created student S. So we have two tables, one is S, one is student, and then we take the cross product of, and we apply the selection condition, that is student dot age less than S dot age. Suppose this is student, this is S. So Akhil 19 is Akhil 19 is Cartesian product with this S. So Akhil 19, Alan 20, Akhil 19, baby 22, Akhil 19, Vinida 24. Similarly, Alan 20 has baby 22 and Vinida 24. Baby 22 has only one tuple, that is Vinida 24. Since the condition here is student dot age less than age S dot age. Consider this student dot age. Actually, in the student dot age, our maximum age is absent. So then, so we take the pi student dot age. Now we got three ages, 19, 20, and 22. Now our original student table, which contains all the ages 19, 20, 22, and 24, including maximum age. But our T1 table contains all the ages except maximum ages. Now we can retrieve the maximum age by using set difference operator. That is, result is equal to T2 minus T1. So idea here is that we are Cartesian product the relation with the same relation, and so first we rename the relation and then we apply the condition, that is since we have to find the maximum age, we apply the condition that the student dot age less than S dot age, then we apply the set difference operator. Thank you.